Hey, brother, let's talk about the kind of exhaustion that no one sees, the kind that builds over years of trying to do everything right, trying to say the right thing at the right time, in the right tone, not because it's who you are, but because you're trying to stay in her good graces. You're trying to avoid conflict with your wife, trying to feel safe in a relationship that doesn't feel safe anymore. And whether you say it out loud or not, you've been chasing something for a long time. Let's talk about seeking your wife's approval. You know what it looks like. You read her moods like the weather forecast. You filter your truth to keep the temperature down. You constantly ask yourself, is this okay? You walk on eggshells. You soften your edges. And you fold up your needs like they're optional. Because somewhere along the line, you bought into the lie that if she's okay, then I'm okay. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach, and here's the reality. The more you chase her approval, the more she can sense your uncertainty. And the more uncertain you are, the less she trusts you. Because you've made her your emotional compass. You've handed over your responsibility for your sense of self to her. And brother, that's not sexy. It's not inspiring. And it sure as hell isn't leadership. You see, when a man puts his emotional stability in someone else's hands, he becomes unsafe to them. You're asking her to carry the weight of being your mirror. And that weight, it slowly breaks the relationship. But I got to tell you that something powerful happens when you stop chasing. When you stop needing her reaction to decide how you feel, when you stop performing for peace and start leading for presence, when you stop waiting to be enough and start owning that you are already enough, that's when things begin to shift. You stand in your truth, you speak calmly and clearly without apology, you lead, not by controlling her, but by mastering yourself. She may resist this at first. She may push back, but deep down, she's been craving that version of you all along. You see, a man who doesn't flinch at emotion, a man who leads not for validation, but from vision. You don't need her permission to lead. You just need to stop outsourcing your worth and start living from the inside out. If you're ready to get started doing that, go to happymancoaching.com and book a private Happy Man coaching call with me. Let's talk. Let's cut to the heart of what's really going on and get crystal clear about what you really want for yourself and your marriage. After that call, I guarantee you that you're going to feel calmer and more confident and more grounded in knowing that you don't need anyone's approval and that you're okay on your own. In addition to that phone call, I'll also introduce you to my community of men. Men who are reclaiming themselves, who are holding each other accountable. Because remember, you're not alone. I'll also tell you how you can join our weekly group calls. So if you're ready to feel like a whole, healthy, vibrant, alive, happy man again, book that call. Let's talk, and I'll talk to you soon.